This is a new way to add admin to your Facebook page. Facebook just changed the settings. Of course, it's not like a big deal. You can still add admins. I'm gonna be showing you how you can do that right now. Now you can do the same steps on your phone, iPhone or Android. And let's get started right now. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you wanna click on your profile in the top right, and you wanna select which page you wanna click on. See all, select which page you want to add the admin to. So I wanna add admin to this page. Now after you select a page, guys, after you are on your page, what you need to do, guys, next is you wanna click on your profile again in the top right, and then you wanna click on Meta Business Suite. I hope I pronounced this correctly. Okay. Now after you do that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on settings in the left, at the very bottom left. You want to click on settings, and what you need to do, guys, next is like as you can see, it says here business assets. You want to like let me check right now. Now you want to select, guys, business assets. As you can see, you want to click on business assets. Okay, the second option, and you want to click on pages. Now after, guys, you click on pages, you want to click on your page, click on it and wait a few seconds. And as you can see, guys, it says here page access. You want to click on page access, and here you want to enter the name of the person or the ID. Now I'm gonna add the name here. Like just add the name of the person that you want to add, like that you want to add as an admin. Okay. Now after you add here the name, what you need to do, guys, next is after you add the name or ID, you click on add people, as you can see, and like I see here, you want to search for name. Okay, click on add person, and you can enter here the email address of the person and here their name. And you can also customize this if you want this person to have only access to your like to have access only to manage and delete posts, stories and more as the page. You can do that. Or if you want to give full access, you want to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, it says here full access, business tools and Facebook. You can just check this. As you can see, you can toggle this on and then click on assign. After you add the name or the ID of the person, you want to click on assign. Yeah, that's it. I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. Click the video in the screen if you don't understand this. There is another video that my friends made about this specific topic, about how you can add admins to your Facebook page. See you guys in the next video.